Alright, so in question 2, we're given a random variable x that takes values of these 5 values given over here. We're given the probability distribution, the distribution over here. We just have to plug in the x and we get the probability. We need to draw up the probability distribution for this x in a table, giving the probabilities as numerical fractions. So as we see here, we have a k constant. We do not know what the value of the constant is. However, we can find it because we know that the sum of all of the probabilities is going to have to be 1. So we have to find each probability and add them up. So the first one, we can just factor out a k basically, and we can add up all of these probabilities. So we just plug in all of the possible x values into the formula given. So 2 squared minus 2 squared is 4, plus 2 is 6. That's a 6, and then a 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 0 plus 2 is 2, and then again a 6, and then a 3 squared is 9, plus 2 is 11. If we add all of these up, we should get 28. So on the right side, we get 28k, and therefore k must be 28. K must be 1 over 28, simply using the fact that the total number of, so the sum of all probabilities has to be 1. And then we can make a nice little table here. So I can make a column for the x value and a column for the probability. So as we have seen, these are all of these probabilities, and these are all the x values basically here. We just have to multiply all the probabilities by k. So the x values goes -2, -1, 0, 2, 3. And then we just plug in these x values into the probability function. Now that we have found k, it's pretty straightforward. You just have 6 over 28, 3 over 28, 2 over 28, 6 over 28, and 11 over 28.